Welcome to solverfy.
In this question, we have similar links A, B, and CD rotates about the fixed pins at A and C. If AB has omega 8 radians per second, determine the angular velocity of BDP and velocity of point P. Okay, so we are given that omega AB is 8k radians per second. Then we can first determine VB. Okay, so there are two unknowns, omega BDP and VP. So first we need to determine omega of the link BDP. Okay, so first we find VB, which is omega AB cross RAB. Okay, so this is 8k cross 0.3 cosine 60i plus sine 60 degrees J. Okay, then cosine 60 is half, sine 60 degrees is square root 3 over 2. So I'm going to have 1.2 times minus root 3i plus j. Okay, so k cross I gives j, and then k cross j gives minus I. Okay, and then the root 3 is in front of the I. Okay, then we can find VD. Okay, because finding VD allows us to find omega. Okay, so VD is VB plus omega BDP cross RVD. Okay, so one thing to note is that when AB is rotating counterclockwise, we expect BD to rotate counterclockwise as well. So the velocity at point D would be 90 degrees, will be pointing in this manner. Okay, yeah, it will be 90 degrees to this link. Okay, so we have BD. Okay, so this is 30 degrees. So we have minus cosine 30 degrees, I minus sine 30 degrees J is equal to VB is 1.2 minus root 3I plus J plus omega BDP in the K direction cross RB. Okay, I wrote this wrongly. It should be R, the position of vector of D relative to B. So this is 0.6 I, okay, from the diagram. Okay, so repeat the same steps. Here is cosine 30 degrees is square root 3 over 2, sine 30 degrees is half. So I'm going to pull out the half VD minus root 3I minus J is equal to 1.2 minus root 3I plus J plus, so K cross I gives J, so this is 0.6 omega BDP J. Okay, now we are able to compare components. Comparing components. So the x component, okay, this is minus half VD root 3 is equals to minus 1.2 root 3. Okay, so this means that VD is 2.4 meters per second. Okay, then for the y component, okay, we have minus half VD is equal to 1.2 plus 0.6 omega BDP. Okay, so this is minus 1.2 minus 1.2, bring this 1.2 to the other side, 0.6 omega BDP, and this is minus 2.4. So omega BDP is equal to minus 4 radians per second. Okay. Okay, so this is the angular velocity of BDP. Okay, so this is in the clockwise rotation because I assume that it is counterclockwise in the beginning. Okay, now we can find Vp. Okay, Vp is equal to Vb plus omega b dp cross r position of p relative to b. Okay, so this is 1.2 minus root 3I plus j, and omega is minus 4k cross. Okay, so the position vector of p relative to b, so you need to go to the right 0.3 units and go down 0.7 units. Okay, so you get 0.3I minus 0.7j. Okay, so 1.2 minus root 3 I plus j plus, so minus k cross I, you get minus j, so minus 1.2j, and then minus k cross minus j gives minus I, so minus 2.8 I. Okay, so simplify, you get minus 4.88 I meters per second. Okay, so this is the final answer for Vp. And that's all.